All right, welcome back. Doing a quick video here on the on this DIY tree saddle platform. Georgia Clay asked how it handled side load, so I wanted to show a little bit of that on video, and so you can get an idea what's going on. So get this camera mounted on this monopod. Bear with me a minute here. Alright, so I got it kind of tied on how I would if I was going to hunt with it, and then I step on one side and then the other. I mean, it has some movement and it moves this way, but that works for me the way I lean back in my saddle. But if I step to one side like this, that's the right side, that's the side that tightens up on this loop, and then the left side tightens it into the tree. It'll do that. There's really no room to step around it other than here. That's going to be when it starts to come apart. It's really not made to turn around that way. What I do, if I need to turn around to shoot with like a crossbow or a firearm, I can shoot from either shoulder. So that's the way I solve that problem. But it's good for what it does. It's good to keep your weight here. You can even, move over a little bit. You can kind of shift your weight on the platform, but as far as putting some weight out here, it's going to loosen up. Same thing over here. It's going to loosen it up. So in that regards, I mean, the point of this thing was just to take that the pressure of those stirrups are really constricting on my feet, and this does that well. So anyway, just a quick one. Thanks for stopping by.